According to reports, an earthquake was felt in parts of Jamaica on Thursday. Persons across the island reported feeling an earthquake in sections of the island. The earthquake unit reported that a 4.9 magnitude quake occurred close to 7:31 p.m. on Thursday, with its epicenter located approximately 5 kilometers west of Hope Bay in Portland. It had a local depth of 15.3 kilometers. The quake has been reportedly felt in Kingston and St. Andrew, Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, and Portland. Residents of St. James, St. Elizabeth, and Manchester have also reported feeling the earthquake.